Enrique's on the roof. You guys would be better off if you thought, actually. I don't have to worry about it. Okay, Wayne, if you're going to go right, which way do you flip paddle? No. That's good. That's a left turn.
And then we have Fritz
That's a right turn. There you go.
checking out part of the water.
Okay.
He's quite accustomed to swimming across the river, but I don't think he's going to want to swim today. There they go.
Okay, Wayne. Stand towards the deep stroke. Stay on one side. Stay on one side, Wayne. You're towards the side.
And we're going to meet them further down the river.
Go forward, go forward.
There they go. Go, 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 go. Well, we'll meet them down the river, folks.
We were
Didn't quite make it all the way. There's part of their raft.
No, you can't make it across.
And there we have threesome all together again, regrouping after this horrid, horrible accident. And they're taking it with stride. And what? They're going down the river again? No, 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 no. Maybe they are. I can't believe this. And they're trying it again? There they go. Here they go rafting. Well, we'll meet them further down, see what happens. I mean, we're traveling down. I think they've had a spill.